All AC parts and what they do can totally confuse you, but knowing where to find motor info like the wiring diagram sticker or nameplate makes everything way easier. So, first up, when you're checking out an AC motor, the wiring diagram sticker is your best friend. It's usually slapped right on the side of the motor or inside the access panel, showing you exactly how to hook up the wires. Next, the nameplate is gold because it tells you all the specs like voltage, horsepower, and amperage, stuff you need to make sure you don't fry anything. Always take a photo or jot down that info before you start messing with the unit. If you're replacing parts or ordering new ones, that nameplate info saves you from buying the wrong motor. Also, remember to turn off power to avoid getting zapped while checking these stickers. If you can't find the wiring diagram, try searching the model number online since manufacturers often post manuals or diagrams on their websites. And don't skip cleaning the motor and parts while you're at it. Dust and grime mess with performance big time. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring the wiring diagram sticker and guessing how to wire the motor, which can blow your system or cause it not to work. Fix? Always double check the sticker or manual before hooking anything up. Another common problem is overlooking the nameplate info, leading people to buy incompatible replacement parts. To avoid this, write down or take pictures of all the specs before shopping for parts. Third, people often forget to cut power before working on the motor, risking serious injury or damage. The fix is simple. Always shut off the breaker and use a voltage tester to be sure it's dead before touching wires or components. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about AC systems and other home repairs. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with people who need their skills without wasting time on flaky leads.